pump's sticking, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's a nuisance because this is a heavily used washing machine. It's used all the time. So I've got here a universal pump, and this is an Indesit machine. So hopefully it'll work with it. Should do. It's from eSpares. I got this from, and there's not much to it. There's a pump unit itself, and there's a couple of parts, a couple of brackets. Hopefully I don't need these, but I don't know. We'll see once I get under the machine, and we'll get that fitted. First thing to do is disconnect your machine from the mains, the electrics, and you want to disconnect your waste pipe as well. That's the water disconnected, the electrics disconnected, and the waste, my waste should actually reach. Just make sure your cables and pipes are loose. I'm going to try and get as much out of the washing machine as possible by pushing this out my back door there. So this will be lower than the machine. Hopefully that will siphon most of the water that's in this, so that when I open the pump up it's not going to be a big flood anywhere. So I'm going to put this outside now. The first thing I need to take off is this. So it's just a case of, there's 3 clips in this. One of mine is broken off, so it makes it easier to take off, but you take 1, 2, 3, one in the middle, 2 either side. This is the pump here. I'm going to just open this. Because it's tipped back like this, the water should be away from here, so you shouldn't get any water coming out unless it's really full. So just opening that up, there's a wee bit of water. Feels okay to me. It's really strange how this isn't working. Okay, so if you remember, we'll take this off. It's 4 screws holding this on. Take them off one at a time. 1. Put everything in a safe place so you don't lose it. 3. 4. So again, 2 tabs top and bottom. We need to twist this pump round so the tabs go into the spaces in the metal there. We want to get that to twist so it goes to here. So I'm going to twist this round, and then it should just pop off like that. Now there's a wee bit of water in there, so I'm going to get a wee tray or something to put that in, or a wee cloth. You just catch whatever water's there. Bring it out. Oh, here we go. Maybe not a cloth, maybe a bucket. Oh, paint tray. Here we go. Of course, most of it's away. Nothing. Right. Right. This is a plug. Obviously, this is the Indesit pump. Now this has got a 2-pin plug here, which just clips on there. Boom, done. The problem we've got is that the new pump, if we look at our new pump, we will see that it's got 2 separate spade connectors. Now this is a problem because this one's 2 together. So I'm going to have to use this pump. Apart from that, it looks pretty much the same. You see that? It's pretty much identical. The only difference being that this has got separate spades for the electrics there on the old pump. It's got this 2-pin plug here. Right, first things first, Here's my kit here. Hopefully the star will fit onto these small screws. There's the top one. Again, put your screws somewhere safe. I should just break apart now. There it is. Okay. That's weird, and that's a bit sticky. Yeah, it's sticking a bit. That's weird. Yeah, definitely. You can feel it sticking. This one, nice and loose. Don't know if you can see that. It sort of bounces, it's almost bouncy. This one, the old one, is very stiff and can hardly move it. So I would say this is definitely good. Okay, so here's the problem we've got. This is the old one, you can see the two connectors there, and this is the new one with the two connectors there. The thing is, this uses AC, so it doesn't really matter which way round you connect these two wires, but you do need those two wires connected to it. Basically, we need to cut these two wires, put a couple of spades on it, that size, and then reconnect it, and it should be good as new. So yeah, I can feel that so much better, but just that electrical connection being different is a real nuisance, and that's probably quite a problem for most people. Just open the back up, the two wires pull off, and now we need to get spade connectors for that. This is a crimping tool set. In this we've got all sorts of spades and things that looks like it might be the right size. I'll see. So we want to go into that. That would be the size we need. So basically I will put that on there. Let's try it on the one we're actually going to use. This is the old pump. Remember, put your old pump away for your new pump. Last thing you want to do, as I nearly done there, is to connect your old pump back into your wash machine. That would be a bit of a nightmare. Okay, there's a connector. Very tight fit, good one. Okay, just pulled that plastic off it. Right, that's a good fit. Okay, so I'm using red ones because it's quite a thin cable. That seems to marry up well with that. Okay, let's try it with this machine. Right. Have a good crimp connector there. That's one. Okay. Should feel pretty solid. And that's them on. Working now. That's them. So I want to now attach the pump back on. There's actually lots of holes for this to go into, so this pump should actually fit pretty well. That's the way it was. Okay, so top one, top. Okay. Remember, it's quite tight in there. Let's see if we can get this on. What I'm going to do is screw in the screws. That's one. seems to be all good. Now, we'll have a look in here and you can see the motor there. Just make sure it's free. So the impeller, you can make sure, just turn that, make sure it's free. Everything's working. You've got a nice seal around there. It's nice and tight. Just double check your screws are all tight. When you put it back. Now I'm going to connect up. As I said, this is running on AC, so the polarity is not important. Okay, so just put one on there and one on there. That should be us. We'll put this back in again. So, and there, turn, bang, that's us. Right. Now we'll put in the filter assembly. Ready. If it wasn't for that, electrical, that small plug needing replaced, this would be a pretty simple job. So just bear that in mind. If you don't buy the exact part for your wash machine, you might have that sort of difficulty. The reason I got that one is it's almost identical to that, but it's half the price. It's this was £40 from Indesit, and the one I got from eSpares was £20, so 1990 something delivered. So it's a good saving, but as you've seen, you might run into problems. So just bear that in mind when you're buying your pump. If you don't want to run into any problems like that, you need the actual part from the manufacturer, and you'll get an identical piece, you know. I think this one should work okay. I'm just about to test it. Let's see. Put this on. This is the last piece. That's it. Now, I'm just going to put it all in empty. Quick.